Good morning. This is Master BCMTV. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe before we go. That's number one thing to do. Remember to press the notification button. I want to show you how to sharpen clipper blade, GTS and STAREX. Two set of GTS clipper blade and STAREX. Two set of can you see two set of GTS? This is GTS clipper blade. This is STAREX. I want to show you step by step in sharpening the three just now in a few minutes. Let us go into the field now. Don't forget, number one thing to do is to put masking tape at the back of the blades. Báwo dẹ̀ ní iṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? Bọ̀ ẹ change sí Muslim ni o. Àṣebí gidi ni. Ṣé bá àtijọ́ sọ́ọ́rí? Èdè wa ni Tíbó. Ibo ńlọrin. Àtijọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ rí náà. I'm applying the masking tape at the back of each blade for easy grading. Can you see the way I apply it at the back of the STAREX? Sergeant, what are you doing? Ìlú oko pọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìlú oko pọ̀ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ gan. Ìlú oko tó yí yín ká pọ̀. You see the way I apply to the back of one of the GTS clipper blades? Bàbá pọ̀ lọ́tẹ̀ yìí gan o.
Ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà àwọn kòkò tó ti ilẹ̀ yìí.
Àná lè ju bí mẹ́wàá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Lè tó mẹ́wàá gan. So see the way I apply at the back of the second GTS clipper blade. Now I want to start the sharpening from the upper clipper blades. I'll be showing you one by one. So when you want to sharpen from two set of clipper blade, three set of clipper blades, I advise you start from the upper clipper blades to make your work faster. Number one thing to do is to clean the surface of the stone. I'm applying the oil. I want to use special stone for the surface of the stone I want to use. You see it? You see the surface? Then after I now apply kerosene. Now use biscuit bone. This is biscuit bone. Now I want to start from the upper clipper blade. For STAREX, you see the inner surface of it. So let us start from the upper clipper blade. So you pick your rag to dry the back of the blade when the chemical is split at the back. That is so and go 20 times.
Cover off.
That is to and fro 20 times for each side. To and fro 20 times for each side. Let me show you. This one has been sharpened correctly. When you sharpen it finish, you open the face down. See the way I open it down. Then I'm going for the second upper clipper blade now for one of the GTS. Don't forget treating the surface of your super hard manner sharpening stone with special stone for fresh sharpening of the blade. Application of kerosene and the biscuit bone. This is the biscuit bone. So I want to sharpen for the second one. Now this is one of the GTS clipper blade, upper clipper blade. So I'm going 20 times now. That is 20 times. I want to clean the back of the blade. That is 20 times again. Let me show you before I clean the surface. See the way it is. Now clean the surface for us to see how the sharpening is. You still have a long way to go on this one. You have a long way to go on this one. I'll show you now. The blade, the stone only touches here. See the place I touch here and here. Here and here. That is where the stone is working on now. So we are still, I'm sorry for that. This one now we are going for second time now. All this clipper blade has been used anyhow to sharpen them back to normal position, to correct position, so that you'll be working like new clipper blade or better than the new clipper blade. You have a long way to go. That is 20 times. That is 20 times again. Let me clean the surface so that I can be able to see where the work has reached. And let me now show you now. I don't know whether the camera can pick it very well. It's blunting. It's blunting. But to tell you exactly, it remains only here. The corner here. Remains only corner here. Yeah. This area, this black area, this corner. Let us go. So we are going for the third time now. That is 20 times each for one side. So we have gone for 2 times. We are going for the 3 times now. We now make 60 times each for one side. For the STAREX clipper blade, this one I've just tapped in is 20 times here, 20 times here. Let's go again. That is 20 times. That is 20 times again, making 60 times each for one side in addition for one of the GTS clipper blade. Now, this one I've been sharpening correctly too. You can see it. We have gotten the total shining across and total flatness. Can you see it? So let's drop. When you sharpen finish, you drop it in this way. See, I open the face down. Can you see it in that way? So we are going for the third upper clipper blade. Don't forget, sharpening for the first, for the fresh sharpening of the blade, you need to use your special stone. This special stone, you need to use it on the surface. Wow. You need to use it on the surface. kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ pẹ́ díẹ̀ ní bójú àwọn clean blade ṣe rí ṣé wà ń bẹ̀. náà ẹ ní sùúrù àní ẹ ní sùúrù. So I'm searching for the third upper clipper blade. Now this one is GTS 2. Can you see it? So let us go now. 20 times for one side. That is 20 times. That is 20 times each for one side. Let me clean it up and show you. Yeah. The same thing like first one. When you watch carefully, this center here and here, the stone has not touched. Does not touch at all. Let me see whether you see whether the camera can pick it. This angle and this center here. So we are going for the second time now. The oil is there before, that is why I use the red special stone. That is biscuit bone. This is kerosene. That is 20 times again. After the sharpening, we clean the blade very well. We clean the inner surface and the outer surface very well, so that I can be able to study the inside very well. Yeah, let me show you. Remain this corner again, together with the center here, just little. So we are going for the third time now. It's going to clear. By the third time, it's going to clear. It's going to clear. It's going to clear. So we are going for the third time. That is 20 times. That is 20 times, making 60 times each for one side. 60 times each for one side. Yeah, let me show you again. This one is okay too. Just exactly like the first GTS upper clipper blade. So we are going for the bottom clipper blade now starting from STAREX. Can you see how the surface is? You can see it like this. You see it. This one is a new clipper blade. When mounted, they bought it as an extra blade. They now mount it on the clipper. Is not working fine at all. So we are going to resharpen it. I mean the STAREX clipper blade, newly bought, was not working fine. So we need to resharpen it. We need to resharpen it. That is biscuit bone. So we are starting from the STAREX now. I'm sorry for that. What is the problem? That is 30 times. That is 30 times for each side. Let me show you before I clean the surface. You see how it is? When I pick it up, now clean it. Let us watch the inside now. Can you see now? When you watch here now, here and here, the stone has not touched it. The stone has touched the stainless here and the hair. Watch carefully. Yeah, can you see like this? Here and here. Let us go again. I've changed the method again. That is 30 times. Yeah, we have a long way to go on this clipper blade. Let me show you now. Can you see that black, this area and the center here? We still have a long way to go. So we are going for the third time now. 30 times each for each set. So we are going for the third time now, making it will now be 90 times now for each side. Let us clean and watch now. Let me still show you again. Can you see now? We have gotten the total shining across and flatness. You can see it. Yeah. Let us test. I'm testing for the first set of clipper blade, that is STAREX. I've sharpened the upper and the bottom clipper blade finish. When we test now, we get carbon across the inner surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade where it touches. I'm sorry. So which means the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Let us open it now and see. See what I'm saying? Can you see it? You see the black carbon form where the upper and the bottom clipper blade meet, which means this one has been sharpened correctly. So when you treat it, you run it, you put it in the clipper mouth, you now test smart of here is going to work like a new clipper blade or even better than the new clipper blade. But though this one doesn't work well and it was a new clipper blade, it doesn't work fine. See the way I place it after the sharpening? After the testing. So we are going for the GTS clipper blade. Now we are starting from 1. Don't forget, treatment of the surface of your stone is very important. That's activating the surface of your stone is very important. Very important. You can't do without it. You can't do without it. So activating the surface of the stone, you can't do without it. So let us start from this GTS clipper blade. Let me show you the inner surface before we start. You see how the inner surface is. Yeah, let us see what is there. Yeah, you see the surface when I pick it up. Let us clean it and see what is going on. I'm sorry. So on the surface of this one now, can you see where the shining shows? That is where the stone starts working. We still have a long way to go. You see the inner side of this small blade to the other side here. You can see the black color there, which means the stone has not touched that area at all. We have a long way to go. Brother, hello, bit hello. Iṣẹ́ wà nílẹ̀ díẹ̀, ẹ má dà yín jókòó lẹ̀. Ẹ ti lo blade yẹn jì gan. So we are sharpening for the second time. Now that is 60 times each for one side. 60 times. Let me show you the inner surface now. Can you see where the shining shows? By this side and the down. You see it? You see the inner surfaces of the small blade to the left hand side here. You can see the black portion there. The stone has not touched there at all. So we'll be getting this shiny area lower. It will not be expanding to the front before it reaches the edge of the blade, before the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. We still have a long way to go. That is why I'm saying it. The way barbers, stylists use their clipper blade in my environment, they misuse the using of the clipper blade. They don't sharpen at the right time, and they used to repackage their blade. When they use it though, they still put another pack in there to force it to work again. They do it like 3 or 4 times before they now bring it for sharpening. That is 30 times. That is 30 times again. It's still going little by little. I'll be showing you. You can be able to see it properly. Can you see it? You see that the shining is expanding. It has covered this side, covered the right side, covered the whole down part. Then now extended to the center, to the front. You can see it. It will be going gradually. the way they use clipper blade in my environment, they misuse the clipper blades. Therefore, to bring it back to normal is not an easy work. It's work of experience. That is 30. Making number 4 times now. If I'm not mistaken. That is 30 times again, making 120 times for each side. The way they use clipper blade here. Yeah, it's moving. It's going gradually. Let me still show you again. Yeah, you can see it in this way. You see the edge of this clipper blade here, this area, this black portion. The main dash area. The rest are being covered with shining. So all those shining area now, we need to bring all down again, so that we graduating, progressing to the where black area portion there. Let us go again. We'll be doing it little by little in order not to misroad. I'm using the special stone to make the work faster. I'm using the special stone to make the work faster. That is 30 times again, making number 5 times. That is 150 times each for one side. Though the work has gone far, but it's not an easy thing to do. When they use taper clipper blade misused, to bring it back to normal, deal with sense. Can you see now? The shining has crossed well, but let me show you this area. This area I'm pointing, and this area. See this area I'm touching, and here. Watch carefully. You can see dark portion there. This center in form of arc, that dark portion. Then here, watch here. Then look at this area. This one is in form of arc, black portion, and here. So we need to bring the level down again. So that's how we're going gradually by gradually. Iṣẹ́ wà nílẹ̀ gan o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń lo bíléèdì ha. That is 30 times each. That is 30 times each, making 150 times each for one side now. 150 times to and fro. It's not an easy thing to do. Let me get closer to the camera. You can see it. But let us test the result that the work is going to give us. Let us test. Let us test. There is difference in sharpening of STAREX clipper blade and tapper clipper blade. STAREX clipper blade, when not misused, and the tapper clipper blade, when not misused, tapper clipper blade is hard or harder to sharp, very strong to sharp than the STAREX clipper blade. But when the two are misused, STAREX clipper blade is not easy to sharpen, whereas the tapper clipper blade very, very difficult to sharp. Understand that language very well. So this using of the super hard manual sharpening stone, that is manual, super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen the clipper blade, different types, deal with logics, deal with techniques. So for learners, when you are watching my tutorial, try to watch it carefully. The step by step I'm taking to sharpen. The process I'm following one by one in sharpening my clipper blade, the way I treat, the way I apply pressure, the way I make my movement, counting of to and fro numbers. You need to monitor everything very well so that when you are learning, trying to sharpen, learning, starting from STAREX, you start from the tapper clipper blade, you can be able to be following the process, to be getting it little by little, one after the other. Before you know what is going on, you become a master in sharpening of the clipper blade. When you sharpen finish, then you test. When you test now, then you get the carbon across the surface of the inner and the bottom clipper blade from left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means you have become a master. So you see this one I'm testing. I've tested for STAREX clipper blades, give us the black sign. So let us open for this one too and see what it's going to give us. So that is why I'm saying using of the super hard manual sharpening stone, deal with sense. Great sense. Can you see what I'm saying now? You see the black carbon across the surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade from left hand side to the right hand side, where the upper and the bottom clipper blade meets. Can you see? So this one too is sharpened correctly, but it's not an easy thing to do. It's not easy because the clipper blade has been misused. So to bring it back to normal, deal with sense. You cannot rush too much. When you rush too much, it's likely you are going to spoil the blade. And the moment you spoil the blade, to bring it back to normal again, it's a great job. So let us go for the third one. That is GTS clipper blade again. That is one STAREX clipper blade versus two set of GTS clipper blade. We've sharpened for the first GTS clipper blade, tested, confirmed. Now we are going to sharpen for the second set of the GTS clipper blade. Now we test and we confirm. Let us see how the inside be, because when you watch carefully, this clipper blade have been used for a long period of time. Can you see the inner surface? There is the upper clipper blade has drilled the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. You can see it yourself. You see it. So we are going to bring it back to normal. As usual, don't forget, when you have not sharpened, this is the way you place your blade. After the sharpening, you open the face down. After you have tested, see the way I arrange it down. You need to follow all this thing process by process, so that you will not be mistaken or mistakenly picking the one you have sharpened and sharpen it again. So let us apply the oil to use the special stone. This is our special stone. You see the way I'm using it. This is the special stone. You see the way I'm using it. You see the surface. So now let's use the biscuit bone. Use biscuit bone. Now application of the kerosene, just little, at interval. Yeah, you use your finger to spread. You don't pack. You spread and mix. The particles of special stone, particles of the super hard mana sharpening stone, particles of biscuit bone, oil, and the kerosene are mixed together. That is what I use to activate the surface of this super hard mana sharpening stone now for the sharpening of GTS clipper blade. Let us go now. That is 30 times. Let me put small kerosene here. That is 30 times each for one side. Let me show you before I clean the surface. You can see how the surface is when I pick it up. Let us clean it now. This one we have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. Can you see it now? This is where the stone works. Then here, when you watch here, and the little down part of this side, then here. Let me get it closer for you to watch carefully. Can you see it now? So we have a long way to go. The upper clipper blade has drilled the inner surface of those small blades. We have a long way to go. Let us be faster with this one. Let us be faster. Let us be faster. That is why you need to watch. Because some followers, some subscribers used to tell me that the sharpening of clipper blade is the same. I'm telling them it's not the same. The way the clipper blade is used are not the same. The way their surface is, 1000 clipper blade, the faces are not the same. But those who don't know much about the sharpening, you will say they are the same. The sharpening them the same. No, they are different. Difference in sharpening, I'm telling you sincerely. That is 30 times. Let me clean the back of the blade. The chemical is still at the back. Let me apply little kerosene here for slippery purpose. That is 30 times each for one side. Let me clean the inner surface very well for us to check. This one we have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. I will come with the pointer now so that I'll show you. You can be able to see it properly. Watch now. Yes. You look at this area very well. This portion, this stainless area, the stone has worked here very well. Then when you watch here like this, see the way my pointer is going towards here. Then here, when you watch here, you see the inner surface of this small blade now. You see it's dark. We are going to cover all. We still have a long way to go. Hey, the clipper blade is not used fine. It's not used fine at all. And that is why I used to enlighten them here. Don't overuse your clipper blade. Don't overuse it. When you as a commercial, for purpose of commercial, when you use it for a week is enough. You use to barb like maybe 100 customers. It's okay like that, or 50-70 customers is okay. You resharpen it again. But no, when they use it though, they repackage it. That is 30 times. Let me clean the back of it to remove the solution at the back. Let me reapply little, or let me even apply biscuit bone again. to make the work faster. We have a long way to go. The customer is waiting. That is 30 times again. If I'm not mistaken, this is going to be the third time now. That is 90 times it for one side. If I'm not mistaken, though the work is progressing, let me still show you again so that I can be able to see the progress of the work. Very tedious work to do. See this area now is covering, it's expanding. Then this area now is expanding. Remain this center. Yeah, you see this black area, this little part here, you can see it. We are going to cover all. We still have a long way to go. Ṣé ẹ̀rí iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀? Kéde kékeré láti gbé padà o. Ọlá pé ń wá níbi tó jìnnà ní fi ń gba owó yẹn lọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹbí wọ́n lẹ̀ yìí, ẹbẹ lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ lẹ̀ yìí. Àtẹ̀bá lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ yẹn bí wọ́n, ẹni tó bá ti lo bíléèdì nílòkulò pé èlò ló ń san. Èyàn bí wọ́n lẹ̀ yìí, wọ́n san 1,800, 700 ẹyọ kan. That is 30 times for one side. $20 times. That is 30 times each. I think this is going to be number 4 if I'm not mistaken. This is going to be number 4. That is 120 times. Yeah, I will still show you because we are learning. I need to be showing you one by one. You can see now the shiny is coming out very well now. When you watch this area, watch here. Then watch here. You see black portion here, black portion here. You see here is shiny. Here is shiny, here is shiny, the back here is shiny, but look at this area and this area. We are going to cover it up. So little by little, you don't need to rush too much. As a learner, you don't need to rush too much. When you rush too much, you may lose control. And once you lose control, to get back, to put it into correction, it will be very, very hard for you to do. That is why I'm doing it in the slow motion. As a learner, that's why I'm doing it going slowly, showing you one by one, one after the other, so that I can be able to know the process which you can take. We don't rush in sharpening clipper blade. In my own studio, I don't rush at all. You don't rush at all. Hello? Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ wọlé. Ok, ẹ káàárọ̀. Mò ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Making 180 times now, it's not a small thing, but we need to be doing it gradually, gradual by gradual. Yeah, let me show you how the work is now. That is why I'm telling you that you need to subscribe to this channel. you need to subscribe to this channel. You press the notification button. You share this video as, press love and like button. You share it out. You see the shining has crossed all and the total flatness has shown. Now you can see it. That is why I'm telling you that the sharpening of clipper blade is step by step. You can't rush and you can't jump. You can't boycott. Yeah, you need to follow the step accordingly. So you need to follow my tutorial and don't base only one video. When you watch one video like 2 or 3 times, go to another video again, watch like 2 or 3 times, go to another video. That is how you continue watching the videos. Don't base on only one video, watching only one video. No, watch different type of my sharpening tutorial videos very well. Can you see it? Let us test now and see. Let us test and see. Let us test. So when we test now, the testing is going to give us direction. Whether the sharpening is okay, whether we still have another fault to clear on the surface, whether the sharpening is okay, whether the whole mat is not working fine. It's this testing that is going to give us the direction, the results. So when you know how to sharpen, we are looking for 2 things in sharpening of the clipper blade. We are looking for two things: total shining across. All those black areas, we remove them. The shining will cover the whole surface. That is number 1 for the upper inner surface and the bottom clipper blade inner surface. That is number 1. The second one is total flatness across. Total flatness across. The surface of the upper clipper blade have to be flattened, very flattened. The same level from first side to the other side, from front to the back, in the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. At the same time, for the bottom clipper blade too, the flatness have to be the same. It has to be flat. The level have to be the same, so that when you now put the upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade, they have to agree together, so that there will be no space in between the upper and the bottom clipper blade. Once there's no space in between, then you test is going to give you that black carbon from left hand side to the right hand side for the upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade, which means the clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. When you treat it normally, you run it properly, you apply the oil, then you now take plenty mass of air to test. 0 gap, you test. 50 gap, you test. 100% gap, you test. It's going to work fine. It's going to cut air fine all the mouth. That means it's going to work like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. So that is why I'm saying subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Master BCM TV, where you can learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blade using super hard manual sharpening stone, using sharper. Yeah. See, go back to my previous video, you will see where I use sharper in different form. You see where I use super hard manual sharpening stone. Don't base on only one videos. See, go to old videos to learn. Don't base only on the new ones. Go to the old videos and learn there too. You will gain. All my videos are valuable forever. Now let me show you this one again. This is going to be the third one again. I've sharpened for the first STAREX, then the number 1 GTS clipper set of clipper. This is number 2. Let us open it and see the result. Can you see it now? You see the carbon fill the inner surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade from left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means this clipper blade is sharpened correctly. It is sharpened like a new clipper blade. It's even going to better than the new clipper blade. That is 1 STAREX clipper blade versus 2 set of GTS clipper blade. You can see it now. Let me show you the name. Let me show you the name. Whether the name can show, whether the camera can pick it. Whether the camera can pick it. Yeah, this is GTS. You can see it faintly. This is GTS clipper blade. So the 3 clipper blades are being sharpened correctly now. You can see it. So that is how to sharpen STAREX clipper blade, a set, and 2 sets of GTS clipper blade in comparison. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Appreciate.